Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Moments. This is day 12 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you improve your English step by step, with daily practice, simple tips, and real examples.
Exactly. And if you want to keep learning with us every day, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell.
That way, you won't miss any of our lessons. We upload new videos daily, and each one helps you get better at English.
All right, let's start today's lesson. You can speak English even with limited vocabulary. Part 1. Why limited vocabulary is enough.
First, let's talk about core vocabulary.
Core vocabulary means the most common and useful words. You don't need thousands of words. A few hundred can take you a long way.
For example, go, come, get, meek, want, like, need.
Imagine you're in a shop. You can just say, I want this, or I need that. Easy.
Exactly. Next point, simple grammar and short sentences.
Yes, you don't need big grammar structures. Just keep it simple.
Like, it is good, or can you help me?
Short, simple, but powerful.
And here's another trick, paraphrasing.
Right. If you don't know a word, explain it another way. For example, if you don't know the word microwave,
You can say, that machine we use to make food hot fast.
people will understand.
Part 2, real-life tips.
Let's move to some real-life tips. Tip number 1, use what you already know.
Don't worry about the words you don't know. Focus on the words you do know.
And repeat them often. The more you use them, the more natural they feel.
Tip number 2, don't fear mistakes.
Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is the enemy.
Ooh, I like that. Silence is the enemy. If you make mistakes, that means you are trying.
Tip number 3, use body language and tone.
Yes, smile, use your hands, use your voice. These help people understand you even when your vocabulary is small.
Tip number 4, practice small.
Don't wait until you're perfect. Start with short conversations. At home, talk to yourself. For example, I am hungry. I want rice. And outside, try small sentences with real people. Part 3, examples.
Let's show some real examples. Imagine you're in a restaurant.
Okay, complex English would be, I'd like to have a medium rare beef steak with mashed potatoes.
But simple English is enough. I want beef with potato. The waiter will still understand you.
Another situation, describing your house.
Complex version, my house is located at the intersection and it has a beautiful balcony.
Simple version, my house is near the road. It has a small place up, like a balcony.
Not perfect, but clear. Let's try one more. Imagine you don't know the word umbrella.
You can just say, the thing we use when it rains.
Exactly. Paraphrasing saves the day.
The key is, don't stop speaking. Keep going even with limited words.
So remember, you don't need 1,000 words to start speaking English.
Just a small vocabulary, simple sentences, and a little confidence can take you very far.
Keep practicing every day with us here at Learn English Moments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now so you can join us tomorrow for day 13. You don't need big words to have big conversations.